very old trailer that came with my boat needed quite a bit of work. One of the big problems were the worn out and missing bunk rollers. The side rollers were not a standard size, and there's supposed to be 10 of them. Rollers and pins aren't cheap, and I was going to have to cut each one down to fit. So I decided to switch to bunks. Using vice grips, a hammer, and a bunch of, well, really choice words, I got all the pins and rollers removed. My bunks are a perfect fit for a 4x4 piece of treated lumber. I had some scraps of 4x4 which I cut to length, and I sanded down on the end to allow one existing roller at the end of each bunk. I thought that might make it a little easier for the boat to come on. I used the two best of my old rollers and pins for the ends. Next, I cut some outdoor carpet to size. I sprayed it with a glue adhesive and stapled it to the 4x4s. Then I used some 2.5-inch long decking screws with washers to bolt the wood into the bunks. I used the old holes from the old pins, and I put 2 screws in each side using different holes on each side of the bunk. So that way the screws would be staggered. If I ever want to redo these bunks, I just have to remove 4 screws from each to get them out. I've made some other videos highlighting other repairs to this trailer that you can check out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.